Hey everyone. Hey. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a picture assignment to your Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to get your work, you're going to put it down flat, or you're going to ask somebody to hold it up for you. You're going to, if it's flat, you're going to go directly above the work so that you're seeing the work clearly. You're going to snap a picture of the work. All right, so we now have a picture of the assignment. Now you're going to go into Google Classroom. You're going to click on the assignment that you have to upload a file to. You're going to click, there's an arrow down the bottom that is going up. You're going to click that arrow. When it comes up, it's going to ask you if you want to add an attachment. So you're going to click add attachment. It's going to give you a number of options. If you want to add the file from your drive, from a link, from your file, if you want to take a picture, if you want to record a video, if you want to create a slide, document, anything. I just took a picture, so I'm going to go to my file. It's going to take me to the files I have, to the pictures I have on my camera, on my phone. I'm going to click the picture that I want to upload. I'm going to wait for it to be uploaded. All right. Now you see that the file has been uploaded to the assignment. In order to complete this assignment, you're going to click hand in. A message is going to come up asking if you want to hand in the work, and it is going to say you have one attachment. It is going to say one attachment will be submitted for whatever the assignment is. Now you will see cancel and you will see resubmit. You are seeing resubmit on my device because I had previously uploaded a document to this assignment. So now it is saying resubmit. If you had never uploaded that document before, then all you will see is submit. You're going to click submit. A message comes up on the bottom of your device saying work submitted. So now all you have to do, you have nothing else to do. It says hand in at the bottom.